Ffion Kenny from the Be Ambitious team. I'm the employability coach for Uchelgeisiol and Prentisiaethau, and I'm here to support you developing your skills and planning for your next steps. We know starting an apprenticeship can feel like a really big decision, so we've created a simple step-by-step guide to help you understand exactly what you need to do to get started. Step number 1, choose your area. Start thinking about what you're passionate about and what career path you would like to follow. Step number 2, find an employer. Identify businesses in your chosen field and approach them to secure their support. While it's up to you to make contact, we can guide you in the right direction. Step number 3, apply online. Head to Uchelgeisiol website to submit your application for the course that suits your goals. Step number 4, attend an interview. Prepare to show the employers and the college why you're the perfect fit for the apprenticeship. Step number 5, start learning. Once everything's in place, you'll combine on-the-job training with college study to kickstart your career. We, as the Be Ambitious team, are here to guide and support you through the process, from exploring your career options to helping you prepare for interviews. We'll help you take confident steps towards your future. Remember, it's so important to choose something that you're passionate about. Doing something that you love makes learning and growing into your career an exciting and fulfilling experience. So take that first step towards your future today, whether it's choosing your career path or preparing for your next step. We're here to help. Believe in yourself and remember, great things are waiting for you. We can't wait to see where your journey takes you. Don't forget, the Be Ambitious team is here for you whenever you need us.